welcome to the Pistacchio graphic channel. This week I designed this chessboard set and I made all these parts to complete this chess. Remember, I'm doing a playlist how to design every piece of this project. If you want to learn more about that, I have a card here with the full playlist that you can design all these parts. For today, we are going to design this bishop, that one, and I made this drawing to follow the instructions. For me, the best way to learn card designs is download this drawing and try to do by yourself before watching this video. Try to think by yourself in the solutions that you need: construction lines, construction circles, segments, tangents. Try to do by yourself. If you have problems in some steps, you can follow the video and learn some techniques that you may don't know yet. Let's start this design. You can create a new design in the plus button. Create a sketch in the middle plane here. For this design, we start with lines in the base, 14 millimeters and 3 millimeters, and a height of 9.5 millimeters. Let's start here in the base and the height, the vertical constraint. D for the dimension tool, 9.5, 14 millimeters and 3 millimeters here. Write the line. Return for the drawing, make a 3 arc point with 18 radius and 20 millimeters high. Select the arc here and here. 18 millimeters. With the constant, we can constrain this. The distance is 20 millimeters. Now we can create a line here that will be tangent, and we can create this neck, 4 millimeters and 55 millimeters. D for dimension, 4 millimeters and 55 millimeters here. 3 millimeters high and 10 millimeters distance. 10 millimeters here. 3 millimeters distance. This is an arc with 3 points with 12 millimeters and another arc with 2.5 millimeters. This is a circle here with 5 millimeters diameter, arc 3 points here, the center. This is 12 millimeters radius here. And this point here is vertical to that point. Now we can cut this line here and here and create a break, this line, this segment You can change to a construction line. If you prefer to change this to a radius measurement, that's okay, it's the same. And with that, we can finish the sketch. Select the revolve tool, the axis in the Z, extend type full, and a new body here. To cut this part in the middle, we can create another sketch in the middle of this design here. Make this a slot center here and here. Let's go to see these measurements here, 2 millimeters and 2 millimeters distance. This gap here is 2 millimeters. The distance by the center here is 2 millimeters, and the height is 65. This point to this point is 65 millimeters. This segment with this segment here is 60. And that's okay for this design. We'll finish sketch. Select the extrude tool, cut in a symmetric way. The distance is all in the operation cut to remove the material and apply OK. Now to finalize this part, we need to create in the middle of the design another sketch. Select the slot by center. Constrain these points in the horizontal. The distance is 34 millimeters, the height is 45 millimeters, and the distance is 12 millimeters with a radius of 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters radius. The distance is 34 millimeters. This point here is 12 millimeters, and this point with this is 45 millimeters. Now, to revolve this structure, we need to make selectable this middle. We can extend this line and this line here and make this line as normal and select this construction line. Finish. Select the revolve tool. Select the axis, that is this line. Operation cut. We can do that a circular pattern as features. Select the operation revolve. The axis is the Z axis here. 7 times, and that's okay. We are almost there. We can apply some fillets here. 1.5, 3, and 1. 1.5 here. With the F shortcut, we can select the fillet. This is 1. This 1.5. In the The bottom face is 3 millimeters. If you want to return here the sketch, the first sketch, and apply a fillet of 1 millimeter here in the base, the finish sketch. Now our bishop is finished. I hope you try to on your own design, follow the instructions, try to do by yourself. And if you have some problems, you can follow the instructions here and watch what I have done this. I have the playlist here in the channel with all these parts, and you can download in the first link of the description the PDF file to follow the instructions and to learn all this design that I made here in the channel. Subscribe if you like this tutorial. Comment here below what you want to see more in this what you want to see more in this channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.